So there are primary lymphoid organ and secondary lymphoid organ. The primary lymphoid organ is the bone marrow and the thymus, and the secondary lymphoid organ is the spleen and the lymph node. The bone marrow produces the T cell and the B cell. And the T cell, when it gets produced from the bone marrow, it will get maturations in thymus, and the B cell get mature in the bone marrow. And then T cell from the thymus will go to the secondary lymphoid organ, which is spleen and lymph node. In the spleen, T cell is located in pulse, and in the lymph node, T cell is located in the paracortex. And B cell, mature B cell will travel to the follicular area, which is in spleen is in the marginal zone, and in the lymph node is in the cortex. So for the spleen and the lymph node, both are the antigen exposure site. In the spleen is known as the blood-borne antigens site, and the lymph node is the tissue-borne antigen site. For the innate immunity is the first immunity that get response when there is an antigen. So the macrophage has a toll-like receptor, which is CD14, and the toll-like receptor recognizes PAM, which is for example is the lipopolysaccharide, right? And then when there is a antigen, toll-like receptor will capture the antigen and then causing transcription of some cytokine. If necessary, adaptive immunity will be activated. The fragment of the antigen is presented by MSC2 to the naive T cell. Could be in the spleen or in the lymph node. So after the antigen presentation by the MSC2 to the TCR of the T cell, expression of the B7 will bind to the CD28 of the TH0, right? And then the antigen presenting cell will produce cytokine to activate the T cell. Activated T cell will release IL-2 and interferon gamma. IL-2 bind to its receptor on T cell and then causing T cell growth and proliferation. Interferon gamma activate the macrophage. So antigen presenting cell will release cytokines to differentiate the T cell. If release this IL-12, it will make TH0 or naive T cell to TH1, which is mediated the CMI, and if release the IL-4 to make TH2, which is mediate the humoral immunity. Okay, so if become TH2 by IL-4 from the APC, then it will produce IL-4, IL-5, and IL-10. IL-4 is mediate the class switching of the IgE and IgG and B cell growth. IL-5 mediate the class switching to IgA and then proliferation and growth of the eosinophil, and then B cell differentiation to plasma cell. And then also IL-10 is anti-inflammatory and also inhibit. IL-10 is also inhibit differentiation to TH1. But if the naive T cell become TH1 due to IL-12 from APC, then it will release interferon gamma and IL-2. So interferon gamma causing activation of the antigen presenting cell, and IL-2 will cause the IL-2 provide the second signal for the cytotoxic T cell activation, and interferon gamma actually can inhibit TH2 differentiation.